Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, so we're gonna be using this blanket and we're going to make it into a long jacket. I actually have a jacket on right now that I'm gonna use as an outline. And yeah, so this is a blanket that I got from the hotel. Sure, keeping it down low, don't tell. But yeah, I feel like it's a pretty color and the material is nice. It's nice and warm. So we're gonna make a jacket. So without further ado, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Comment down below. Let me know what other stuff you would like for me to do. And let's get into this video. The jacket, guys, I'm all done. It really came out really cute and big and how I like it. I wanted it to have this big, like, New York type of look. Let me show you guys the other bit.
Please have it ready. Also, the lawyer's gonna call you in the morning.
So it's this long. Really cute, really cute. I could do it like this, or I can fold it upwards, like outwards, like this. So like make it versatile. I think I'm gonna get some buttons or like make it a thingy. So yeah, this is how it came out. Really cute, and it's super warm, super warm. Cute. So if y'all like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and let me know what other kind of videos or DIYs you guys want me to make for y'all. And if you're a designer, be inspired. You can do anything, okay? You can make anything out of anything, okay? That's the weird and creative part about it. So see you guys in my next video. Bye now.